Welcome here to the IMI circuit north of Denver, Colorado. We have two Supras, the 2.0 and the 3.0, where we're going to be doing a drag race to see which is faster, or by how much the faster one is faster, or will that one have more grip off the line. These are both 2021 Supras, brand new, which means that this 3-liter premium has the updated 382 horsepower, 368 pound-feet of torque, 3-liter inline 6-cylinder turbocharged engine, codename B58 in BMW world. This is one of the best sounding engines on the planet. Truthfully, amazing car. This one's fed power through a ZF 8-speed torque converter automatic that shifts faster than a dual clutch, I swear, and it has launch control, and this thing screams. It's truly a modern day muscle car. Let's see what Jordan has under the hood of his.
Over here we have the B46 plant, which is a 2-liter inline 4, so 2 less cylinders than Kyle's, but it is a little bit further back, so effectively a mid-engine car. The power figures for this are 255 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. So I have more torque than horsepower. I'm curious to see how that helps me off the line.
All right, so let's go sport mode. That starts up the engine because it turns auto start stop off. Toyota safety system, that's got to be off. Hold that for 3 seconds, boom. And I'm going to turn traction control down 1 notch to dynamic traction control, or in Toyota speak, it just says, let's read what it actually says. It says traction mode activated. A little bit different language than the BMW stuff, but essentially the same programming. That will enable launch control, and we're going to give that 4-cylinder a run for its money.
All right, to get this ready for the drag race, I'm going to put on sport mode, which does deactivate the engine auto start off, and I'm going to turn off traction control, just 1 click, and safety system off, so 3 seconds on that, and then we can effectively have launch control.
Here we are in the 6-cylinder Supra, ready to demolish this puny little 4-cylinder. Sport mode on. Going to turn traction off 1 notch. So in BMW speak, it's dynamic traction control. Here, of course, it's traction. My plan is just left foot hard on the brake, launch control, and let the systems handle it. You know, with a launch control program, I imagine it won't even rev out to redline. BMW high power rear wheel drive BMWs with this transmission always just upshift early, just to, you know, keep as much torque going to the wheels, but without overwhelming things on the rear axle. So into drive. Good. All right. And so. I think he's in park. What happened? You'd be surprised how often that happens when we do drag races. So, okay. Off we go! Wow, good launch! Whoa, this thing hooked, spinning in second. But he's not far behind. I see him in the mirror and standing on the brake pedal. Well, this was faster, but that was right in the mirror. Right in the mirror. That was impressive for the 4-cylinder, but yeah, the 6 totally smoked it. Welcome to more consumer advice here on Out of Spec Studios.